awan ni Children Hospital, awan dawai di Dr. Arpita. Di dawai tang sebenarnya ngala armet ya asal tu ba ini kita dawai jadi Dr. Arpita itu kita rekam ya. Di tang sebenarnya adalah kadon menu-menu di Papua penulis dawai ini Dr. Arpita ya sawan hanya Children Hospital di Dr. Arpita IVF Dr. Arpita ikawan sisin sebenarnya gawati.
Dah kajing sungkia, halor kajing sedang kipat ba ban syapting, halor kajing yap kibriu na kajing pang rabies, ne kajing syak dait ksew, hakasngi palai jong katayo, ka menteri katanat kokot kakia, kakong ampurin lingdo, kala pentim, bagi sorkar kala sedang ban ai dawai tikai kiksew lamwir, bat kala penting kenaru bagi jaka sumar nado ke PHC, kindon lepaya, kadawai injection, ban ai na kabenta, kito kibasyak dait ksew. Habayakran bat kenong patai kubor ka Dr. Ampurin Lengdo ringkat bat kihe jong katanat kokot kakia kilapen pau bat kila shimkia hakai bayadai bat kejing kiu jong kejing yo e kejing pang rabies bat kila kentu ye kipat ba bakim dai ban kensting hendrai kidai ban let shim dawai mardor haba kisyadat hakikso kenang bakan embu pat ye kejing im jong ki ha kejing ma. Kila itu bakatunat municipal bat katunat veterinary kila sedang ya kejing ai dawai tika ya barok kiksew lamwir bantek lakam bakan emden kejing sapriang jong kejing pang rabies. Kementeri kelapan pau ya kejing sokya halor kejing jur jong kita kejing ja kamtam ha West Khasi Hills bat West Janta Hills district. Kalau ya thuru bakila don arponyo ngut kibriyo kibala yam hakini ki snem kibala deb na kejing pang rabies jylla bat kumta kalong kebakong san ban pesungu ikipat ba sepang kejing pang rabies bat ke sorkar kala deb ban penuan dori ke rukom trekam jongki bat kikin menskem bakan trekam no. Katba ke State Surveillance Officer ke Integrated Disease Surveillance Program IDSP ke Badairu ke Nodal Officer for Rabies ke Dr. Valerie Lalu ke layatho bana ki arpenyongut ki bayap na ke jingpang rabies katwe ngut kedai ke balaja haka snem baladem bat khandriu hadu unailur menta ke snem bat mar hendriu ngut ki layap na ke jingpang rabies ha West Khasi Hills bat West Janta Hills. Kalau ong bak handai pondriu nak sispa jong ke jingyap nak rabies kadai nak jingsha dait ksew handai lada ai dawai bat sumar mardor ke jing mensau la banyada nak tai ke jingpang bat kalau ong bak jingyap nak jingpang rabies kadai tang namar ke jingbom yo ke jing tip ki babyang bat haga ju kapor ke jingbom kwa ban le ye ke jingma nak jingsha dait ksew. Ke Dr. Lalu kala pentip ru bakatanat ke kot kakia kala trelang bat ke Shillong Municipal Board bat katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ke municipal kadon ye kibriu ki balet kemi ksew bat katanat veterinary ke penlong ya ke mass vaccination campaign hakaleng jong ke jylla.
Probably lack of awareness and at the same time complacency. As sir had also mentioned, it was a bite due to a puppy. So usually we think that puppies are still sterile. They don't have any much diseases in them. We find them cute and harmless. But actually puppies, less than 2 months, they are not vaccinated. So these are at the stage where if there is any infection in them, they are most probably that they will infect another person who's bitten. Rabies has been is a notifiable disease since last year. Okay, but 2023 March. So before that, there was not much of a system of reporting and of documenting cases. But from 2023 onwards, we've had
2023 onwards.
Yes. Deaths were around, I think, 9 deaths that 9 to 11 deaths that happened in last year, 2023. So that was high. I think it was 11, not to be mistaken, and that was for the whole calendar year. This time it's only in the month of till September. We haven't, it's not complete yet. So we still have actually 17, but the 17th case we have not completed our investigation yet. So officially it is 16 cases of death cases. What we've been municipal, in fact they have dog catchers, and one dog catcher who has been doing all this. They've been catching stray dogs, and the veterinary department has been conducting these mass vaccination campaigns all across the state. So even now, it is happening across the state. Yesterday, it happened in Southwest Khasi Hills and East Khasi Hills.
So far, how many dogs have been vaccinated?
So the report we have for this year itself, from East Khasi Hills alone, 600 stray dogs have been vaccinated.
Awareness on rabies, we now realize, has become a big priority. And hence, before the situation deteriorates, we are already planning an approach. And this approach is what we hope will happen henceforth. So it is very tricky, because as correctly pointed out by one of your own scribes, there are also protectors of stray dogs. Until all concerned stakeholders come on the same platform, it is going to be next to impossible to handle this. We hope that after this Rabies Awareness Week, we will be able to strategically attend to this big problem. And it is also not true that we are waiting for deaths to increase. A rabies vaccination is a responsibility of a citizen. There is also a talk that rabies vaccination are not available, etc., etc., etc. Hence, now we are committing to the state that we will ensure that up to the PHC level, there should be rabies vaccination available, so that citizens can avail this facility to prevent that. We are hoping that this will happen soon, and we are curbing it, and we hope that we will be able to address it.